One of the most searched topic on internet and on YouTube is weight loss, which is definitely not easy as it sounds to be. Hello friends, this is Shyam Sawant and I welcome you all to my channel Power of Nutrition. From right food to exercise regime, we need to find a perfect combination of a good healthy diet and exercise that works best for us. However friends, there are definitely certain things that we can do to optimize or speed up our weight loss journey by including certain foods which helps to speed up and optimize our weight loss journey. So friends, in today's video, I am actually going to share with you one such magic ingredient which helps us losing that belly fat, losing that pesky fat around our stomach, around all of our body much faster. People who would have grown in a traditional household would have been definitely suggested or would have heard about a superfood called Amla, which is also called as Indian gooseberry. Amla is actually one of the Ayurveda's most prized fruit. Amla is actually loaded with supreme health benefits, which actually makes it a superfood. It is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, polyphenols. All this helps fight against free radicals, toxins that gets created in our body due to pollution, due to cosmetics, due to various things that happens in our surrounding. It is also rich in vitamins and minerals. I don't see any reason why we should skip this fruit and not include in our daily diet, because it has always been part of Ayurveda, Ayurvedic medicines. As per Ayurveda, Amla is actually known to treat various lifestyle diseases, and most of the people these days, because of their lifestyle, are suffering from diseases like diabetes, cholesterol, high blood pressure. Amla is actually a superfood which will help you to come out of all these lifestyle related diseases, and at the same time also has an endless benefit to our hair, to our skin and to our overall health. So how can actually Amla help you to lose weight? Let's see that. For optimum weight loss and fat burning, the simple rule is that we should be consuming less calories and burning more calories. Amla can actually be a perfect food that can help you to achieve your goal even faster. Amla is a nature's boon with multiple health benefits, and one such benefit is it helps in losing that pesky fat, that fat which is around your stomach, around your chest, around everywhere on your body. Ascorbic acid, which is also called as vitamin C. Amla is actually rich in vitamin C. Now vitamin C actually helps in boosting immunity and keeping our body overall in a healthy shape. By boosting your immunity, vitamin C actually helps in fighting against toxins, against inflammation, and it also helps in boosting your metabolism, which is very important for weight loss. The amount of vitamin C that you would get from one amla is actually almost equal to what you will get after eating 2 oranges. Amla also helps in fighting against symptoms of fatty liver, cholesterol, and works toward preventing obesity, and basically helps in maintaining your overall body weight in a proper shape. All of these benefits actually help to keep that fat away, but doesn't allow that fat to come back again. Amla also helps in accelerating your metabolism, which helps in weight loss. It has higher level of amino acids which helps in boosting your metabolism, which can lead to reducing fat accumulation in the body. So Amla is known to trigger your all important metabolism. Metabolism in short is actually an engine, actually a machine inside your body which helps in converting whatever you eat, right, or drink. It helps in converting that into energy, and how fast it helps in converting that is actually the speed, is actually how fast your metabolism is. So faster your metabolism, faster you will use up all your calories. Detoxing is a great way to clean up your body and get rid of some of the fat that is around your stomach, and get rid of some of the symptoms of obesity. Amla is actually rich in fiber which helps in flushing out toxins from your body, regulating digestion, keep the gut working fine, and fight off constipation. All these things, friends, will help you to achieve your weight loss goal a bit faster. People who are suffering from diabetes actually tends to gain weight faster, and Amla is such a superfood which helps in regulating your blood sugar level. So even people with diabetes can definitely lose their weight by including this superfood in their diet. So how to include this superfood Amla in your diet daily? Amla is actually a little bitter in taste, so it may not appeal to everyone's taste bud. So what you can do is you can actually make an amla juice or amla powder, add some honey to it and have it. 2 to 3 tablespoons of amla juice mixed in water can be consumed on an empty stomach every day to detox the body. If you consume amla water around 30 to 45 minutes before your meal, it will actually make you feel fuller, and that will actually will not allow you to eat much, and in short it will help you to lose your weight. Amla tea made by boiling amla powder and ginger in water. Amla tea is an all-season tea which can be prepared and stored for everyday consumption. Friends, there are many amla recipes that you can look out on internet, such as on Google, on YouTube. You will get many such recipes, and you can include amla in actually various forms in your diet. If you don't like juice, if you don't like amla water, if you don't want to make powder, there are n number of recipes by which you can include amla, the superfood, in your diet and can reap its benefit. Now, how much to take it daily? To reap its full benefit, take 1 amla fruit daily or 10 to 20 ml of amla juice. You can also use around 4 grams of amla powder daily. But remember friends, anything more than this quantity can actually cause some side effects to your body. So definitely don't cross your limit. I think 1 amla per day is fine. 10 to 20 ml of amla juice is what you can consume, perfectly fine. No reason to go beyond 4 grams of amla powder a day, right? So definitely consume amla within limit, and it will help you to reap its full benefits. Last and the important point is precaution to take when you consume this superfood. If you are someone with sensitive stomach, amla may not actually suit you because amla is acidic in nature. It is an acidic fruit, so it may not actually appeal to those with sensitive stomach. I definitely don't think this should be an issue for almost 90% of the population. Of course 10% there would be people which would have sensitive stomach, but definitely do give it a try. And people who already know whether they can handle acidic fruit, right? So if you can't handle acidic fruit, I would suggest don't consume amla juice or amla powder or amla water. So friends, definitely without any doubt include this superfood in your diet. But remember that you need to combine your diet with a good exercise regime to successfully lose overall weight and definitely the fat that you want to lose. Losing that weight can actually be easy for most of the people, but most of the people also tends to get back that fat, get back that weight again. So to keep that fat from coming back again, what is important is effective losing your weight, right? You should not do any crash diet. What you need to do is you need to follow a good healthy diet and pair it with a good exercise regime, and try to effectively lose your weight over a period of time rather than losing 10 kgs in a week's time or 2 weeks time, right? So what you need is effectively following a good diet and good exercise regime and losing your weight. I hope my friends you like this video, and if you do so, definitely do remember to subscribe to my channel. Press that like button, put some comments, any suggestions that you have, any questions that you have, you can put those in the comments box below. I will read those and I will try to answer those questions, maybe related to this video or maybe something else which is related to fitness and nutrition. That's it for this video friends. This is Shyam Sawant for Power of Nutrition. I will see you next weekend. Until then, goodbye, take care and be in your best shape.